programming language you are using, whether you are using the Java, you are doing code in Python, you are doing code in HTML or any other programming language. Okay, if you want to comment and uncomment any of your code, that's very simple in the VS Code. Here are I am pasting some of the shortcuts for you guys, and after pressing this control and right backslash in Windows or in command plus right slash in Mac, this toggles a single line comment. But if you want that all the block line of code you choose, for example a code is big and not a single line comment, so you can select the code and then press shift alt and A for the Windows, and you have to shift option plus A in the Mac. This toggles a multiple line comment. Toggle means comment and uncomment, comment and uncomment, comment and uncomment, comment and uncomment. That's how simple this in the VS Code. Make sure you subscribe to Abdul Basit Pro Dev YouTube channel.